So I've tried very hard not to spoil it for myself.
I don't know that one.
What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessi, and welcome to the very first ever Advent calendar unboxing. This is number 1. We are going to be doing like it's a little bit over a long week because got more than 7. I got more than 12. Don't know how many Advent calendars I received or bought. I didn't receive any. I bought them all. But some are still coming. Today, though, we are going to be doing the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar created by Macy's. Before we get into the Advent Calendar unboxing, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up because it does let me know that 1, you do actually like this video, and 2, it does help me out tremendously. And then 3, also go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the future Advent Calendar unboxing, you know, by clicking that little notification bell. This Advent Calendar, I have no idea how much it cost. I'll get that for you. Okay, well, when I bought it, it was $49. But if you go on right now, you can use the code FRIEND and save 15%, making it $41.65. You do get, for the $49 value, you're supposed to get a retail value of $127.66. And let's not look on the back because that tells us everything that's in it. Because I've tried very hard not to spoil it for myself.
I don't know that one.
I wasn't talking to you. Should probably. Can somebody tell me why I cut the bottom of this? Why it's not like a box that you pull out? It's, you know, the. And just, can I fold? How do I? This is awkward. On the very first day, that's a 7. Laughing because I literally just painted my nails, and my favorite, well, one of my favorite, I have 3, is the Lights Lacquered nail polish, and I was literally running out of the white. On the very first day, we have an illuminating nail concealer by London Town. Well, it's almost a little bit like a cream, so I wonder what it looks like on top of the white. Let's see how like creamy it is compared to it's almost like a clear. It's like a clear. It's completely like a clear. There you go. Why did I swatch it on the thumb? Literally just a clear nail polish. Kinda sad, disappointed. Oh man, good thing I only painted the one nail. On the second day for the Macy's Advent Calendar, we have, oh, and the nail polish, it appears to be full size, so that's great. This is from Peter Thomas. This is the Cucumber Mask Extreme Detox Hydration, and it appears to just be a little deluxe sample. I'm gonna save that for the last little, because I read the back. Oh, did I read the back? Macy's, what are you doing to us? On the third day, little skinny guy, my guess is some type of eyeliner, lip liner, eyebrow pencil. Oh, shocker. It's the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil. I do actually really like this eyeliner, and mine that I have is like all the way almost down there. So pretty good to have that in my life, although it might have been cheaper to actually just buy that eyeliner. On to day number 4. Uh-oh. There we go. Wow. We have the Mirrored Environmental Shield, the Essential C Cleanser. I've tried this before. It's an, it's a cleanser. It's not super gentle. If you have sensitive skin, don't recommend that. We zoomed out, and now you can't really read it, but, you know, should I zoom back in? Let me know in the comments. Should I be a little bit closer, or is this good enough? Still trying to fully figure out all my camera settings after 2 years. On the 5th day, and then, on the 5th day, it completely just went inside, and how do I... Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream, and it's an itty bitty sample size, but there looks to be a decent amount in it, so it looks, you know, you can at least get the idea if you're going to like this or not. Let's hope. And for number 6, we have something else in a box. This is from Max Fix Plus. Is it really just a teeny itty bitty spray of Max? I keep wanting to call it just Max. Max Fix Plus. Max Fix Plus. That is a tongue twister for me. Not even gonna try and say it again. I have not tried the Mac Fix Plus. The Mac Fix Plus. Oh my goodness, I am done trying to say that. I will just go ahead and okay, well, it looked to be a finer mist, and now I just sprayed my face. I don't know if I like the smell that is coming from it. It's a little perfumey. On the 7th, what I thought was one day, this is from Boscia. I need to know how to pronunciate words in general. From Boscia, I think, is the vegan... I don't know what is wrong with it. Vegan collagen booster serum. This is just a sample, not for individual resale. Never tried any. No. Somewhat decent size to at least know, to give you an idea if you're going to enjoy that. And I know that's pretty much what this is like supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a full-size type of advent calendar to give you, you know, just full-size products. But anywho. So, on the 8th day, Macy's gave us Tarte. I got excited because maybe it was going to be like a lip paint or something. I should have known. I love Tarte, and I should have known as soon as I seen it. It's just mascara. This is just the Tarteist mascara that you get if you order off of Tarte online. You can get a sample size for free, typically. At least I haven't ordered in a really long time off of Tarte. The last thing I ordered was the create your own Tarte box, something like that. And then for number 9, it looks like a little squeezy tube, even though I just pressed it. But we do have a squeezy tube of, I'm excited for this because I'm getting old. I don't know if you saw one of my last videos. I am almost 30. This is the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Cream. This is a retinol cream. It's a line eraser eye cream. So, excited to give this a try. Hopefully it can do something. And I will be putting it kind of like right here because I scrunched my face a lot and my wrinkles are just kind of they're prominent. They're staying. They're not going away. On the 10th day. Oh, I spit. That's disturbing. Oh, that's gross. That is, whoa, you were big. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's just a sample size cream. Again, like I said, I don't know if everything was supposed to be just sample size, but this looks to be full size. Maybe you get 2 or 3 full size, but this is not full size. It stinks. I don't know why I had to smell it, but it stinks. I don't recommend smelling it. So, just a creamy, mostly this is kind of skincare. We've gotten 2 makeup products, and they're just a generic eyeliner and mascara. On the 11th day, we have a perfume sample. It was big, and I was excited, and it's just Giorgio Armani My Way. I think... I wish I had it still. Literally, so you know on Instagram, you just scrolling and everything, and Giorgio Armani just kind of came up, and it's like, oh, sign up here for a free sample. You know, you just put your email in. Did that. Got this. And now it's in my beauty box from Macy's. At least it smells good. And then on the last day, Macy's gave to me. Oh. I was surprised. I was looking in my mirror because I could see it in there. I actually was really surprised to see these two items in here, and not just the $10 that is off your next $40 beauty purchase. You can't even get close. You gotta get beauty. But on the very last day, we have from Rahu? Don't come for me. We have shampoo and conditioner. It's a rainforest grown. It's a voluminous shampoo and conditioner for body and bounce. At least it's not your little sample, like a foil packet of shampoo and conditioner. I will thank them there. But you do also get, like I said, that $10 coupon. And at least it wasn't just literally on the last day. I think it was Alexandra Ryan, because she's the only other one that I watch anyways that does like unboxings and advent calendars and everything. She did the Macy's last year, and like on the one day it was literally just the coupon. Just the coupon, nothing else in there. But I was laughing on this on the back here because it says countdown to the holidays by opening a collection of exciting beauty retails for 12 days. Beauty treasures for 12 days. It's a $49 box for a $130 value bonus. $10 coupon inside off your next Macy's beauty purchase. You literally spoiled everything in there. And also on the website you can see the $10 thing. I think for the reason that Alexandria unboxes, that they did do it this year, like, hey, look, you do got a coupon, don't come after us. But for the $50 that I spent on this box, I'm just kind of looking at all of it on my desk. There's some really good items in here. I'm excited to actually give a try because I have not tried them. Several of them, actually, quite often. Quite a lot of them I have not tried, so excited. This was not a very bad box for being, you know, $50. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing, the very first to many more to come. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. Also, let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments. Did you like this advent calendar unboxing? Would you get it? Would you not get it? Would you get it for a family or a friend member for the price and everything that you did get in it? Let me know down in the comments below because I absolutely love chatting with you guys and hearing your thoughts and opinions. And with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to hang out a little bit longer and binge watch some of my content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow for advent calendar number 2 unboxing. Bye! That was an awkward bye. Bye! That was still awkward.